फ्री टू लर्न लर्नोलॉजी में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। मैं रिंकू पांडे आज लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए आज एक नया टॉपिक। जैसे कि हम लोग सेल के बारे में अभी पढ़ रहे थे, तो सेल के बारे में हम लोग जो पढ़े कि टाइप ऑफ सेल क्या क्या होता है, और अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर देयर इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल, जैसे कि प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल है, यूकैरियोटिक सेल है, वो सब हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं। और यूकैरियोटिक सेल में हम लोग एनिमल सेल कैसा दिखता है, एनिमल सेल के अंदर क्या क्या सेल ऑर्गेनल प्रेजेंट होता है, वो भी हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि यूकैरियोटिक प्लांट सेल कैसा दिखता है। जैसे कि हम लोग को पता है कि यूकैरियोटिक सेल मतलब है द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, दैट पर्टिकुलर सेल इज नोन एज द यूकैरियोटिक सेल। एंड इन केस ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल actually present in the protista, fungi, plantae and animalia kingdom. So एक्चुअली एक यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल सेल दिखता कैसे, वो हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। आज हम लोगों का टॉपिक है कि प्लांट सेल कैसा दिखता है। उससे पहले प्लीज आप लोगों को अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो टुडे आवर टॉपिक विल बी द यूकैरियोटिक प्लांट सेल। Maximum the plant cell actually looks like a polygonal structure और a hexagonal structure। जैसे कि बी हाइव होता है ना, मधुमक्खी का जो मतलब हाइव्स होता है, उसकी तरह एक प्लांट सेल दिखता है। ठीक है, सो प्लांट सेल लेट्स ड्रॉ इट। So the plant cell, the inner part of the plant cell is called plasma membrane. It is known as plasma membrane. So as you all know, in case of an animal cell, plasma membrane is also present. But here an additional layer is present, that is called the cell wall. Okay, yeah, an outer membrane is present, that is called cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. So here a cellulosic layer is again present that helps to make the structure of the cell wall. Okay, सो ये सेलुलोजिक लेयर है। ये सेलुलोजिक ये लेयर हेल्प करता है कि सेल वॉल के स्ट्रक्चर को बनाने के लिए। ठीक है, सो इन केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल देयर इज अ सिंगल वैक्यूल्स इज प्रेजेंट। सो एज यू ऑल see here, that is the only single vacuole is present, and the size of the vacuole will be larger compared to an animal cell. That's why the maximum portion of the cell occupies by these vacuoles. Okay, and for this reason the structure of the nucleus will be slightly shift to one side. So due to the presence of the vacuole, nucleus in case of plant cell slightly shifted to the one side. Okay, in the corner mostly. In case of animal cell, the nucleus should be in the center position, but in case of plant cell, due to the size of the vacuole, nucleus shifted to one side. So here also inside the vacuole there is a water and mineral is present. This is vacuole, this is the structure of a vacuole, and here inside the vacuole water and mineral is present. That particular part is called sac. Clear? So here you can see in some part of the plant cell there is a gap. There will be a gap, like here a gap is present, here also a gap is present, this part, here a gap is present. That particular gap is called pit or plasmodesmata. These gaps helps to connect with another cell, and by this gap the chemical exchange or material exchange, like example like nutrient exchange, water exchange, mineral exchange can take place. Okay, so by this gap a plant can transfer their different types of material, that could be like chemical material, that could be like some nutrient also transfer by this part from one cell to another. So by this gap two cells can be connected with each other. Okay, so next part will be the nucleus. Here also, just like animal cell, the structure of the nucleus is almost similar. Here also double membrane structure of the nucleus is also present, and here the content structure, that is also known as the nucleolus, is present. The membrane of the nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. Nuclear pore is also present. Inside the nucleus there is a liquid or viscous transparent liquid is present, that is also called nucleoplasm. So similarly the structure is almost similar, just like an animal cell. Okay, next part is the outer membrane of the nucleus. Here also folds and forms the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. The structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. So similarly, it is the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. जैसे कि हम सभी लोगों को पता है कि एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो है वो दो तरह का होता है, जैसे कि एक स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड अनदर वन इज द रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. सो रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम वो है जिसके ऊपर राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, एंड इट मेक्स द सरफेस ऑफ द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम रफ. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. In case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there is no ribosome will be present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why it remains smooth. It is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Next part is the another double membrane structure is again present, just like an animal cell. That is the structure of the mitochondria. This is the structure of the mitochondria. So the inner membrane of the mitochondria folds and forms a finger-like projection, that is called the cristae. It is the structure of the actually mitochondrion. Mitochondria here stand for the plural form, and mitochondrion is the singular form. Okay. Next part is the another one. It is the Golgi apparatus. There is a difference between the structure of the Golgi apparatus of an animal cell with the structure of the Golgi apparatus of a plant cell. What is the difference? In case of plant cell, the Golgi apparatus, the structure of the Golgi apparatus or Golgi apparatus is present in scattered manner. That's why the amount of the Golgi body will be more compared to the animal cell. Clear? So here also, but in this case, Golgi apparatus is slightly present far away from the nucleus. Clear? Next part is the lysosome. So lysosome, it is also known as the digestive body. Inside the lysosome there is a many enzyme will be present, but here also a difference between an animal cell and plant cell lysosome. That is, in case of animal cell, the amount of the lysosome is more compared to the plant cell. So here in plant cell the amount of the lysosome is less. In plant cell lysosome is also known as spherosome. spherosome. In plant cell, the lysosome is also known as spherosome. Okay, and in plant cell there is another name of Golgi body. Golgi body is also known as, here it is Golgi body. In plant cell, the Golgi body is also known as dictyosome. Okay, next part. So here is the structure of the lysosome. Golgi body will be there. One exclusive structure is present only in case of plant cell. Okay, that particular structure is also known as the kitchen of the cell, kitchen of the plant cell. Here it is also again a double membrane structure. It is also a double membrane structure. Here some disc-like structure is present, which is also called thylakoid. Disc of thylakoids is present, and it makes the grana. And here a liquid is also present, that is also known as the stroma. That in detail this part we will know later on. Okay, so this part is known as plastid. Okay, the color of the plastid in case of plant cell is green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, many other colorful pigment also will be present. That part we will know later on. Okay, so this part is called the plastid. So it is the exclusive part. Only in case of plant cell this case plastid will be present, but in animal cells plastid is not present. So here this plastid is known as the kitchen of the cell due to the presence of the chlorophyll, that is the green pigment. A plant can able to produce their food, produce their own food. So it is the entire structure of a plant cell. So here we will know that is the, here plasma membrane is present, and with the plasma membrane another exclusive layer will be present, that is also known as cell wall. Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles will be present. In case of plant cell, the size of the vacuoles will be larger. Most of the spaces occupied by the vacuoles. Okay, and the rest of the spaces you can see here, that is the rest of the spaces is fills up with the cytoplasmic material, that is also known as cytoplasm. Okay, so it is the, so today is up to this. Hope this video will be helpful for you. अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. और if you have any query or any question regarding the topic, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you everyone.